Hello traders, this is Mike Billion. Today is March 29, 2017 and let's talk about the market. I'm going to give you 5 trade ideas. So let's just start with Electronic Arts. It's a EA. So as you can see here, it's a very bullish chart. That's no doubt about it. It's inside this racing wedge. It's getting close to the apex and the apex will be right at the Fibonacci, $92. So this is a good one to put it on your watch list because I'm expecting a breakdown when it gets close to the apex. Right now is bullish. We have to wait for the signal to go. When it breaks down this trend support, then you have to go bullish. But if it can also break out from here, if it gets and start trading about $92, this thing is gonna blow up and probably make to do 120. So it's bullish, but you can trade this triangle wedge and wait for the breakout or the breakdown. So let's see what happens. Let me give you another one. This is Under Armour. It's a UAA. This is the typical chart that many of you like because when you see a stock that is going down like this, you see opportunity. It's something that we all do when we start trading, but you have to know that when the chart looks like this, it's because the company is not doing well. You see the last report, they didn't do well, and it went down from $28 to $20. So it went down a lot from 28 to 20, and then it bounced a little bit, but then it's still going down, and it went to $18. So we're talking about a $10 move in just a couple days. Now it bounced right here and wants to get back in business, but I will look at the $21. But keep in mind that this company is not doing well. So the key number here is 21. If it gets to 21, you might want to close the gap right here. But for now, you have to be careful if it fails, because then if it fails and gets back below 21, it might go to $12, which is the major support. It was supported in 2012 and 2013. So let's see what happens. Keep it on your watch list. There's nothing to do right now, but I'm giving you key numbers so you can watch. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about CARA. This is a Cara Therapeutics. Right here, bullish chart. Major Fibonacci resistance is 23. It's at the top of this channel, and DMI is in a divergence. This is DMI. The plus directional is at the top, and the minus directional is very close to the bottom. So we say that it's a divergence on the DMI, meaning we might see a pause right here, or we might see a pullback. So that's what divergence means. You don't want to enter long in a divergence because you might get a sideways here, especially if you use auctions. But you want to wait until the divergence is over and it corrects a little bit. The divergence, the directionals go to the middle or not close to the top. So right here, this chart is bullish. You see this is a lot of volume when it goes up, but I won't enter long in here because I think it has to correct a little bit, probably to $19 to get to 23, which is the multi-year resistance. So that multi-year resistance is the key number to get short or long. If you break out the 23, you have to get long because this thing is gonna make a big move. But if it fails, like it fails back in 2014, that was in March, and it fails back in 2015 in August, you see the terrible move. Every time it goes there and fails, it moves down really fast. So let's see what happens. Is for you watch list. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about, this is GlaxoSmithKline. Right here, this is a beautiful chart. It's trying to go and break out this trend line resistance. It looks like it did, so the door is open, but it hasn't confirmed. The confirmation will be about $43. If this thing start trading about $43, this thing is gonna make a major move. So we are very close, 42.73. Look at the day today. It looks like it was gonna go down and fail, but it came right back and finished outside the trend line. So let's see, about $43, this thing is a buy. ADX is high and there is no divergence on DMI, so the next target will be 44.50 or 44.86. So keep an eye on this one because it's very, very close to trigger my enter. Traders, there is a nice opportunity for you to join McBillion Lifetime, only one-time payment. So go to join and check out the price because you're gonna like it. You're gonna join McBillion and receive my alerts, my trades. You're gonna receive my mentoring, my online course. It's a great promotion and it will finish Friday. So check out the join and join McBillion. This is everything for today. Trade on.